In the previous lecture, we talked about layout page, like we name it boilerplate, and we have parent page and we have child page. In this video, we're going to talk about partials. What is partials? Partials is basically part of your web application, all right? Like a nav bar, a footer, or a jumbotron, or something else. So let's go ahead and create it. We need to organize some of our EJS files. So go ahead and right click on views and new folder, and you want to name it main. This would be all the main page, like probably sign up, maybe home page, or maybe contact page, and so on. So you want to copy home, right? You want to copy home. You want to copy the whole home. Copy, and then you want to right click on main, and you want to create home.ejs. You want to paste it here, and you want to delete this. All right, you want to delete this, move to trash, and same goes to about. Go to main and right click on main and create a new file and type in about.ejs, right? And you save it. But is it going to work if we actually change it? So let's go ahead and refresh this page. We haven't saved. We have to start the server again. So start the server and wait for it to show this command. Server is running on port 3000 and connect it. All right. Go back to your browser and press enter. So we received this error: failed to look up view home in views directory. Why? It's because in server we forgot to actually add the folder before home. We have to add main/home, then only it will recognize the home.ejs file. So we save it, go back here, we refresh, here you are. So same goes to about page. You just add main in the beginning and then slash, save it, then go back, and if you change to about, there you are. This is a about page and this is an about page. Go back to a Tom, and you want to kind of like delete this, all right, and as well as delete this as well. So there's so many tabs I open. All right, so right now we have to create partials folder, all right, that will hold the footer, the navbar. So create a new folder and you name it partials. You can name it as parts as well, as long as it is relevant to any name that you could think of, it's okay. So right click on it and you want to type in navbar.ejs, and right click on it and you want to name it footer.ejs. So we have footer, we have navbar. So let's add some kind of like validation here. This is a navbar, right? And in footer, this is a footer. All right, save it. All right, go back to boilerplate. Above h1, you want to add a navbar. So how to do that? Type in percentage include, and then the directory that you're going to, which is partials, right? So ./partials/navbar. You don't need to type .ejs. So type in percentage and save, and copy paste this and paste it down below body, and you want to change this to footer. So once done, go back to your Chrome and see the magic. There you have, this is navbar and this is footer. So every page will have the same navbar and the same footer. So that's about it. This is partials, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we actually gonna add some styling to our web application. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.